Vlogmas was born December 2nd, 2011 when Ingrid Nilsson, under the channel name The Grid Monster, uploaded her video titled Vlogmas First 2011 Moving In. In her description, she describes Vlogmas as vlogging every day until Christmas. And since then, vloggers and content creators from every niche have taken on the challenge of uploading daily in December. But it comes as no surprise as filming, editing, uploading, and everything else that goes into making a YouTube video is even more stressful during the busiest time of year. So when does Vlogmas start and how do you survive it? Well, in this video, I'm actually going to be giving you some tips based off of what I learned when I attempted Vlogmas last year and failed, so you can be more prepared and actually complete and enjoy Vlogmas along with your holiday season.
Today's video is brought to you by Vloggystyle. Vloggystyle is a website created for creators by creators, and I absolutely love their ease and ability to shop their website and get all of your Vlogmas and creator needs all in one spot. As you can see here, they actually have pajamas, lighting, so you can easily shop lighting with all the specifications that are actually important to YouTubers, along with Christmas lighting, mics to make your audio quality even better. Of course, they have their tripod stand, and from now until December 5th, you can go ahead and get 10% off your purchase with the code NAV10 at wevloggystyle.com.
So most creators have started Vlogmas on December 1st, but if we actually look back at Ingrid, she uploaded her very first Vlogmas video December 2nd. Now with that being said, there's technically no rules to Vlogmas and you can start it whenever you'd like. Some people even start Vlogmas in November. And assuming you literally have no other responsibilities than just to upload videos in December, you can even do some filming December 1st and getting that video up the same day, which if you can do that, bravo, it is hard work, you guys. But if you are someone that needs a little bit of cushion, you can go ahead and start vlogging November 30th. This way you can edit, upload, and schedule your video to go live on December 1st, or just do what Ingrid did and vlog starting December 1st, edit, upload, and schedule your video to go live December 2nd. Totally up to you. Alright, just like the answer to when does Vlogmas start, you need to decide when you're actually starting Vlogmas to decide when Vlogmas actually ends. So if you're filming, editing, uploading all in one day versus filming, editing, and then uploading to go live the next day will also depend on when you end Vlogmas. There are a lot of people that actually extend it out and go a couple of days past Christmas so you can share what you purchased for Christmas, how much you spent on Christmas, and those other vlogs. And there's other people who will just go ahead and vlog all the way through from December 1st to December 31st to complete the entire month. Again, there's no rules and it's totally up to you on what you can handle and what you can accomplish when it comes to doing Vlogmas this year. Alright, now we're getting to the survival skills. How do you actually survive Vlogmas? One thing you don't want to do is wake up and try to figure out what you're going to be planning that day. Your entire Vlogmas calendar should be planned out by November 30th. This means you know exactly what and when you are going to be vlogging, along with what you're going to be editing and what you're going to be uploading. This also goes with making sure you research before you record. So make sure that you have your titles, your description, your tags, all your SEO planned out. You guys know I love TubeBuddy, and this is one of the reasons is because TubeBuddy, if you have their pro version or up, does allow you to do your SEO studio, which I literally have all of my videos planned out ahead of time before I even press record on my camera to make sure all I have to do on upload day is literally upload my video to YouTube. I go into TubeBuddy's SEO studio and I select apply to video, and it applies all of my information to the video, which saves me a ton of hours. Another thing you want to do is make sure you try to batch film as much as possible. And I know you're probably like, well, I'm vlogging, how do I do that? But there are no rules to Vlogmas, and it does not state that every single video has to be a vlog. Now, if you are someone who does a mix of videos or you plan on doing gift guides, I highly recommend starting now in November, planning out your gift guides, doing all of your sit-down videos, making sure that they are edited and scheduled to go up live on your channel in December. That way it gives you some cushion when you are vlogging. You don't feel so rushed to do everything all in one day. Another thing you can do if you are planning on just doing vlogs is easily do like 2 events in one day. So make sure that in the morning you have something going on and you're doing a vlog then, and then maybe that night you're vlogging something else. By doing this, you now just took one day to film, but you have 2 videos, which is definitely going to save you a ton of time as well. And when it comes to that, you make sure you only film what you need. The worst thing you could do is have a full day of just random clips, because it's going to take you so long to edit, you guys. I know for me, usually when I vlog, I'll have about an hour and a half worth of footage, and it takes me about about 3 hours. So whatever you have in footage, it's going to triple when it comes to editing. All right, lastly, we're gonna be talking about some of your analytics. I wanna prepare you guys for this as well. While some channels do amazing for Vlogmas and actually will increase their views and their subscribers and everything else, other channels may see a decrease in their views and subscribers. And something you need to think about, depending on your relationship with your current fan base or what your niche is most people are subscribed to over 50 channels in general. And if a majority of the content creators are subscribed to are doing things like Vlogmas or just uploading more frequently during the end of the year just to meet their goals, it's a lot of information. Could you imagine getting like 100 notifications a day saying that so-and-so uploaded a video? And I know a lot of people will actually start to unsubscribe from channels. Don't focus on the numbers, focus on having fun, focus on up-leveling your skills. You're gonna learn a lot. I know the first time I did a marathon month was for beta. Well, my channel was just 3 months old and I learned so much during that time. Take this as a learning experience more than a growth experience and kind of take you out of the equation. It's all about your audience. But I hope these give you some tips on how to survive Vlogmas this year. If you need some extra inspiration, you can definitely go check out the OG Queen of Vlogmas, Ingrid. I also recommend Alicia Marie. She is amazing and has the most creative Vlogmas intros I have ever seen. And if you are in the motherhood community, I'm kind of biased, but my best friend has amazing motherhood vlogs when it comes to Vlogmas as well. She did Vlogmas last year with her family, and she is one of those channels that grew a ton.
And while you're down there checking out those channels, don't forget to check out WeVloggy Style and use code NAV10 to get 10% off all your Vlogmas and Christmas needs this year.
But for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, you can go ahead and check out this video here, also down in the comments below. Now get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.